How to add and edit content in your CMS Made Simple content management system with adukawebdesign.com. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your CMS Made Simple admin site. I'll give you the address for that. You just click on the link and then you're going to type in your username and then your password and hit submit. Great. So now this is your content management system dashboard. You've got the CMS information over here just to like view your site or log out. Your content, which is where you're going to spend most of your effort, primarily in your pages, and then your image manager. You will probably, if you've had this designed for you by someone else, not mess with anything in the layout. And if you'd like to add a new user, you would do so under users and you'd assign them a username and password. And then extensions, if you ever have any additional modules that you're going to be using, or if you'd like to download extra modules. Modules just handle different functionality in your content management system. We've given you all the ones that we think that you'll need on a daily basis, but if you ever want to look for more, you can go to cmsmadesimple.org or their CMS Made Simple module manager right here. Your site admin will give you an admin log, tell you if you have multiple admins in your website, who's been on, how long, yada, 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 and then your preferences. So we're just going to focus on your content right now. We're going to show you how to add a page, edit your content, and add an image and add it to your content. So first things first, you go Content, Pages, and we're in the back end of adukawebdesign.com right now, so it's going to show you all the pages that we have on our site. If you would like to add a page, you can either duplicate an existing page if you want it to be similar with just some different content. You would just copy it, or you add new content. There's an add new content at the bottom and an add new content at the top. So you click on that. Okay, so your content type, it's usually going to be content, but if you're trying to add a link to your menu that goes to another page or just acts as like a separator or a page header, this is where you put that in. But leave it on the default of content. I'm just going to call this page test. The menu text is going to be test. And parent, you can have this as if you've got a menu that provides drop downs, you can give your page a parent and your page will be underneath that other page as a drop down. So we're just not going to give it any parent and we're going to give it the content. This is a test. Okay. If you want to make your content bold, it's a lot like Microsoft Word, bold, italics, underline, as much as possible try to type directly into your what you see is what you get editor. And you want to make sure everything's in paragraph format. That just makes sure that your styling is correct. You can also have it make it a header, or there are different codes in here, but you're mostly going to focus on paragraph. I'll show you if you want to add an image. You just click on the image button, and this little button right here is going to let you browse your uploads file, and after this I'll show you how to upload an image. And you can just select any old image, and then it's going to show you a preview of what it's going to look like. You can make the title Adobe, or whatever you want, your description and your title. An appearance, if you want it to sit to the left of your text, you do that. If you want your text to wrap around it to the right, it'll just, give you a bunch of different things to play with, or you can just let it be. So that's that. You can change the size either here, or once you insert it, you can make it smaller like that. So this is the test, and we've inserted a picture. If you'd like to make the word is link to another page in your content management system, you do a CMS self link, and we could say we want it to link to our company page. So that happens. If you want to link to, say, an external website, you click this link and you insert edit link, and your link URL is going to be google.com. Okay, You can target it to open over the top of your website or in a new window, and you can give it a title of Google. Okay, so that's how you insert links, insert images, add underline, styling, anything like that. If there's a custom character like a copyright mark or a registered mark, you have a code for that. So, and you can change your font family. Everything in your website's pretty much styled the way that it should look. But, if you want something special, you can change the sizes and everything like that. So it's pretty easy. If you're going to paste from Word, instead of pasting directly into the window, you use this box, and it'll help you remove all the crazy stylings, that are going on. And this one will paste as plain text and just paste and cut. You can change the alignment of your text up here, and that's pretty much it. If you've done something that and it's a mistake, you can undo it by clicking this button, and if you want to redo it, you click that button. So once you've done all this, you're going to submit your page. And then it's going to take you back to your page list, and then your new page test is going to default to the bottom of your page list. If you've got a menu that's tied in with your pages to automatically update, it'll be at the far right side of your menu. And when you mouse over the different pages, it's going to tell you the menu title and the alias. The alias is in parentheses, and it's the small one, and that's what you're going to type in to try to actually view the page that you've created. So this is my test page. It says this is a test. The is links to our company page. The test, I made it link to Google. There's the image that we placed in, and it goes into our default template for a page. So any new page that you create is going to already be styled to look like part of your website. And that's how you create a page. If you wanted to edit that page, you would just click on, whichever page you wanted to edit. And go in, and you could, say you don't want that to be a link anymore or whatever. You just tweak it, and you can either submit or apply. And that's how you edit a page that you have already created. So now we're going to go to your image manager, and I'll show you how to add an image from your system. So you go to Content, Image Manager. Okay, and this is going to show you the images that are already in your Uploads Images folder. Now you can make edits to anything that's in here by clicking on the Edit Pencil button, and that will allow you to change the size, crop, resize, rotate, measure, and save all your images. If you want to upload a file, it's just like adding an attachment to an email. You're going to hit Browse, and I'll just go to my pick an image, and you're going to hit Open, and I'll give you a little, okay, and you're going to send it. And now that image is the one I just uploaded, Smarty. It's in my uploads. They're all in alphabetical order. And then you've got, you got your images in your uploads folder. And so that's how you do all that. You can just go ahead and log out of your admin if you want, or you can stay logged in. That concludes adding and editing your pages and adding images to your content management system. Thank you for watching with Aduco. Have a great day.